Every fitness truth you will ever need to know. 1. Obesity has more to do with your habits than your genetics. 2. Low-calorie diets are not sustainable. 3. Liquid calories make fat loss more difficult. 4. Many people would get rid of their depression by working out, eating whole foods, and sun. 5. There's nothing positive about being overweight. 6. People who exercise regularly have 43% fewer days of poor mental health. 7. Sex is better. 8. You're never too busy to get in shape. 9. It takes 6 to 8 weeks for your body to get used to an exercise routine. 10. There's a 99% chance you aren't getting enough salt or drinking enough water. 11. Eating healthy isn't expensive. 12. Eating healthy isn't difficult. 13. Those who exercise at least 5 hours per week reduce risk of early death by as much as 31%. 14. You don't have to starve to lose weight. Eat more protein. 15. Walking 10,000 steps in a day is massively underrated for fat loss. 16. The people at the gym will be the nicest people you ever meet. 17. There's only 3 ways to get stronger: increase load, increase volume, or decrease rest time. 18. Tracking calories will make it much easier to lose weight. 19. Adding meat to your diet is a game changer. 20. If you're serious about getting in shape, you need to be serious about getting your sleep. 21. You don't need to go to an expensive gym. You can get jacked with dumbbells. 22. There's no right way to get in shape. Find what works for you. 23. Supplements won't do anything for you you're not eating right. 24. A bad workout beats no workout every single time. 25. Snacking is one of the biggest reasons you aren't losing weight. 26. The only diet that'll ever work for you is the diet that still includes foods you enjoy eating. 27. You only hate leg day because you don't do it often enough. 28. You'll sleep better when you exercise.